How to find saved TikTok videos. In order to do that, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up TikTok on your screen, and once you open it up, you may go ahead and save a video. For example, I would like to save this video. In order to save the video, right beside the comment, right below the comment, you will be finding a save option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, your video will be saved. So in order to view that videos, what you can do is tap on your profile in the bottom right. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding this interface. Now what you can do is simply tap on this button right here, which is beside the likes. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you go. You will be finding all of the saved videos, including the videos that you just saved. So that's it for now. In order to view the saved videos on TikTok, you may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.